hours.
Well, it depends on
Or an hour from here to the bay.
We can
You could hop in the other side.
I could open it right here so I could record.
Oh yeah, I already put. Oh, I didn't put the back seat down.
Is there any possible way we can put this one so I can see like the whole thing?
Okay. I got a lot of shit in here. Too much shit.
I like that. That's clean. Yeah, that's clean, bro.
Hella clean.
You did everything yourself?
No, I had the best guy in Sacramento do this shit.
No, it is done.
Hella clean.
I definitely wanted these before.
He made custom fuse box holders on the side.
Yeah.
The wood pattern.
Oh, that's nice.
Hell yeah, custom. You should see how he did it. I was like, what the fuck? That's your
What's the RMS on these subs?
2200. I don't even think they're underrated though. They probably take 22. I'm giving them 25 right now each.
Damn, man, I never know Memphis had subs that could take that kind of power.
Yeah, the real Memphis subwoofers are the older ones, way better than these. But these are the best ones right now that are newest. These are the D4s, not the D2s.
Oh, yeah, so you have them. Are the amps strappable or?
Oh, I don't know. I don't know too much about it. But
you just have 2 ohm.
This is my door speaker amp. This is my wire for my door speakers.
Shit, it's nice, bro. Let me go on the other side and take a look.
I can put a 90.4 on there. I would sound the same, but the 180.
This is really clean.
Hell yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. I just need a new box, and eventually I'll get new subs, new amps.
I can sit down in the front. You listen? I don't want to sit in your cigarettes or nothing.
Oh, you're good. Sorry about all the trash.
That's right, bro.
It's not a true bass car where there's no trash or dust from the wind.
Damn, I'm excited to see what the subs sound like. I never heard it in Memphis, and I've never heard the Sonido.
They talked me into getting these instead of SunDowns. Dude was like, you know, SunDowns are made for boats, right? I'm like, really? He talked me into getting these. I was gonna get some ZB5s.
Oh yeah, those are the big boys right there.
Oh hell yeah, I would have loved to get those. Pandora's got commercials.
It's okay. I understand. I listen to Pandora too.
Sounds better than Spotify or YouTube. To me.
I've never listened to Spotify before.
Yeah, it's hard to find a song on there unless you got premium.
Yeah, I'm always free trial guy.
Okay, so it's lagging, but
I've looked at those Sonido mask amps like, I want to say like 3 or 4 years ago.
Yeah.
I
got these like
I've never committed though.
2018.
Yeah, I just never committed. But I like them because it's different.
Yeah. They're a Mexican brand.
I'm gonna tell you this right now. If you woke up this morning, nigga, you winning. For real. Yeah.
sound good, man.
I didn't have it all the way up.
The
but
doors sound good.
Yeah.
What do you have in the doors?
Oh, those are Def Bonce Apocalypse Arnold series. You know the ones from Down for Sound. Those fuckers are like 7 pounds each. And then I got neodymium tweeters to T25.
Damn, everything sounds clean, man.
Yeah, no, I got it all on a DD1, so.
Sound clean. Yeah, it is.
It's different when you're outside, though. It
No, those sound
as
really
loud.
good. They don't sound like they're having a problem taking it apart at all.
Well, if I put them at 1 ohm, you know, then they.
Oh yeah, probably toast a little bit,
A
huh?
little bit. I mean, they're 2 ohm speakers, so.
How's your the voltage?
So when I'm not stepping on the gas, it drops down to 11.5, and then when I'm on the gas at 2,000 RPM, it goes to never goes below 13.1 at I don't know what it's called.
Idle?
On the gas.
Oh,
When
the
I
gas.
step
Oh,
on
okay.
the gas at 2,000 RPM, never goes below 13.
Oh.
And then when I don't step on it, it'll.
Oh, so when you're at
11.5.
idle speeds, then okay.
Idle is 11.5.
Can I see your alternate? Oh, you said the alternate is really low. It's hard to see, huh?
If you want.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I asked you the same question.
Don't save it though. I'm just saying.
That sounds good.
I got a full throttle. I got excess in the back, and then the full throttle. I gotta get new terminals. And then same thing right here, custom amp rack.
Yeah, the horn. What for the alarm?
Yes, that's the alarm. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Vipers. And then my alt's right there. So you can see the 320
Oh
on it.
yeah. Singer alternator.
Yeah, it does 145 dB, so not too much, but nice for.
Oh, you metered it before?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yep. At 41 or 42 hertz, I did 145.6, something like that.
Nice, man. This is
That
really.
was at idle. I didn't rub the gas on that.
And this is the wire that you said that. Oh, because all OFC too as well.
Yeah, yeah, the same as the back. This is Memphis, but the rest of it is all Sky from there back. Yep.
Hey, man, I appreciate this demo. Thank you.